Hello, everyone, and welcome back to my YouTube channel, Martine Chiella. So, we are on the road right now heading out to a resort called Living Waters out in Collingwood. It just so happened to be fallen on the same week as our anniversary. So, we're pretty excited about that. Just a small family little getaway closer to the end of the week here. And we're just so excited. I'm going to be taking you along just to first impression of that resort. I'm not quite sure what to expect. So, I'm going to be taking you guys along. So we are pulling up right now. So this is the resort Living Waters. So the reviews were great online, and I decided to pick this one simply because of some of the amenities they were willing to offer me in the room choices. So it wasn't just like a standard hotel room. It also came with like cutleries and stuff like that. So it was similar to like a condo style. So I believe that is also what it's called. I will be giving you a tour of the room as well. Once we finished checking in, we went upstairs to our room. It took us some time to find our room because we actually went on the wrong side of the wing. So this hotel had two separate side wings, and we just went on the wrong fifth side wing. We also ordered a playpen, which you found right there. They placed it right there for us, and this is the room. We activated the lights, and voila, this is the room. This is the kitchen right in front of the entryway, and that is the living room, dining room area. I'm still at the door. And right on our right here is the bathroom, and this is the closet. And the room right across it is the laundry. You need something like this when you are picking rooms and you have two little ones. Literally, they can be making messes with their clothes and things like that. And I only packed enough for the time being there, but it was nice to have that stuff available. So I did do a load of laundry. Before I left, I did not leave with dirty clothes. So I thought I'd insert myself in the clip here just to show you what I was wearing for a Mama on the Road outfit. And back to the tour. So back to the kitchen. This is the kitchen. The cutleries were all in the dishwasher there, already washed, and everything was ready to go. Had a little island there to eat as well if you chose to eat by the island. What I absolutely loved about this living room, dining room was the mirror on the wall. It was so big, and my son just had an awesome time playing right in front of it. And what I also loved about the room, it was facing the ocean. So we had a good view right from the kitchen. When you open the curtains, we had a good view from the bedroom as well. You had a good view, which was really nice. Well, there's my little man enjoying his show already and dancing away. And of course, I inserted another clip of myself. It's simply because of the mirror. I'm sorry, it was the mirror, love of mirror. Yeah, so just showing the outfit again, maybe if you didn't see it. I travel comfy on the road. Okay, so this is the tour of the bedroom. I really love the way that they laid out the bedroom. It's really nice. It was a good stay, really was a good stay here. Really enjoyed it. It was spacious, and I opened up the playpen, set it up right there. So there's also a TV in here, and then you can also access the bathroom from the bedroom. I know somebody's going to be asking, hey, we didn't see the shower, which I'm absolutely going to show you because I'm going to show you everything. And this is the shower. So after that little tour here, I'm just setting up here. I like to unwind and take out everything and set up so that we are ready to tackle whatever we're tackling on next. I like to unpack everything when I reach to a new spot, and that's exactly what I did. And we had a little something to eat, unwinded, and that was the end of our day. So this is early morning next day. I had to capture the sunrise. It was so beautiful. Oh my goodness. There's just something about the sunrise that is so awe. So yeah, continued the tour. I had to take you guys outside closer to the water, and we just took a little walk there as well. They had a little place for the kids as well. So these are some of the things we consider when we're picking resorts or hotel. As a mama, I had to walk by the water. It was so peaceful. My son was just watching me, and I was like, he's probably wondering, what is wrong with this woman? Son, I'm just enjoying myself. You don't get a lot of these breaks all the time. So yeah, we had a good time, toured the area very well and had some lunch and went back home at the room, and we just chilled. Sometimes you really need that change of scenery just to refresh and regroup. It really is important as a mom. So this is the next day, and it is our anniversary today. Yeah, so it's early morning. Just thought I'd take some time and do a little devotion before we get the day started. Even though we're on holidays, it's good to unwind, and do a little devotion time with the Lord. Once I was done, I came out. My husband had snuck out, and he came back with this bouquet of flower. I thought that was very nice of him. I was wondering where he was going so early, but he managed to sneak back with a beautiful note and some flowers. So the plan for today, we're just gonna head downtown Collingwood, and go around downtown, visit a couple places. We had some lunch and then came back home after that. Of course, the kids, had their lunch at home. And I just had to do a little bit of cleaning up. Once I finished doing a little bit of just cleaning up, after the kids there, I had them rest a little bit, and then after that, we just started to get ready for our dinner. We had some dinner reservations out for our special day. Overall, I would definitely recommend this resort. It was a great stay, and I would recommend the restaurants as well in the area. Everything was a really good experience. So this is what the kids wore, and this is what I had on for the evening for our dinner. And of course, this one is all over the place. And this is my dinner. This is what I ended up having. And of course, I had to take a clip of my favorite dessert, the tiramisu. We really had a wonderful stay at Living Waters. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you liked this video, don't forget to subscribe and leave me a comment down below, if you're first time coming to our channel. We'll see you in the next one. Bye.